Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new on this channel, I really want to welcome you. And if you're a subscriber or you continue to visit this channel from time to time, thanks so much for coming again. I appreciate you. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to slim fit your trouser or any trouser. So guys, let's get straight into the video. I'll be working on this pant, and the owner of the pant wants the pant to be slim fitted, not too tight but a bit, slim fitted. So I'll be taking some measurements, and these are very important measurements you need to take note of. I need to take measurement of the hip circumference, the thigh circumference, the knee circumference, right, and the ankle circumference. You want to lay the trouser on the table as flat as possible and start adding your measurement. I haven't measured everything you need, the circumference all the way to the ankle. You grab your tape roll and your tailor's chalk and start adding the measurement, and you're gonna do that on both sides of the trouser. So I'll be slim fitting from below the pocket because the owner wants it slim fitted about below the pocket area, as you can see. So I'm gonna start my measurement from there, adding the measurement. So you want to place your tape roll like this, dividing whatever the circumference of your thigh is by 2, guys, not by 4, by 2. Then you make your marking, right? Your thigh measurement divided by 2, make your marking. Your knee measurement, your knee circumference divided by 2, you had your measurement. You want to work your way down to the ankle. So the ankle circumference divided by 2, whatever it gives you, make the marking and add half an inch sewing allowance to it. Make sure it's not too tight. Don't forget, this is not a skinny jeans, we're just slim fitting from the original measurement, guys. This is not a skinny jeans. The jeans here is not stretchy at all, so you need a bit of room, a bit of allowance, guys. The circumference you can add half an inch ease, then half an inch sewing allowance. Make sure you've got the same measurement on both legs. As you can see, I'm working on the side seam of the trouser, not the inseam, the outer seam, the side seam of the pant. So don't make a mistake when, altering your pants. This is very important, guys. Make sure you wear the pant and see if it's the right fitting for you before you start cutting any excess fabric. Very, very crucial. As you can see here, I've finished sewing the side of the pant, and now it's time to cut the excess fabric. This is very hard, guys. I had to apply extra force on the hemline, guys, to cut through. And once that was done, I overlocked the edges and look at the jeans. I hope you've seen the difference, from what it was before to what it looks like now. You can see a bit of, few inches has been taken off here, and the owner is happy as Larry. Now no more sagginess, no more baggy jeans. If this video has been helpful, consider subscribing, press that notification bell to notify you anytime I post videos like this. Or you might want to share with your friends that will find this helpful as well. And you know what? I'll see you in my next video. Till then, look after yourself and bye for now.